Hello everybody, welcome back to Jeff's Computer Service on YouTube. I'm gonna be showing you guys today on how to connect remotely to your Raspberry Pi from your Windows PC. So first up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use the real VNC Viewer for this. So what's gonna happen is your Raspberry Pi is gonna act as the real VNC server. So in this case, we need the client. The client is our Windows. So we're just gonna do this. So the way that I'm gonna do this is by SSH. So basically, I'm just gonna connect to the Raspberry Pi terminal via my computer instead of connecting to the Raspberry Pi first. You don't have to do this. This is just an optional way that I want to do it in preference, so I don't have to just connect remotely. This is just if you want to access the terminal. So in my case, it would be my username for the Raspberry Pi and the IP address for it. Now it's going to ask me the password. So on this part, we just say yes. Now here you put the password. So basically now I'm inside the terminal, and from here you can do pretty much anything if you were in your Raspberry Pi physically or remotely. So just to give the heads up, we're gonna put in these commands. So just to see if you have any updates remaining or to install the server. This is actually optional. The server here, this command I meant, because if for whatever reason your Raspberry Pi doesn't have the option to enable real BNC, then you would put this command. So just to do it as default, just copy this, paste it here, just start working if it has any updates available. If not, so we're just gonna give that a few minutes. Just gonna go ahead and fast forward this if anything does happen. Okay, and there we go. Packages have been updated. Now we're gonna go into the Raspberry Pi configuration. So we're just gonna put this command with administer privilege, sudo raspi-config. It should open us a blue page. So as you can see, my Raspberry Pi model is the 4. This can work for any model. It should have the option. So from here on, just use your keys. You're gonna go to the number 3, interface options. And we're gonna see here, SSH. If you wanna do that, enable it. That's optional if you want to use all of these ones. But in our case, BNC, enable the graph or disable the graphical remote desktop access. So we click yes. It's gonna disconnect me. Would you like to enable the VNC server? We click yes, and that's it. Now we just wait, and there we go. VNC server is enabled. Okay, and we can just head out of here, finish, and that's it. So we can actually close this out. Oh, and for whatever reason, if your VNC server doesn't start, you can use this command to start the service on your Raspberry Pi for whatever reason if it doesn't start. So it should start just to double check if it's running since I was able to connect remotely to it. So the best case scenario to see if you actually have service, I just want to pin it to see if it's already responding. Okay, it's responding. So I should be able to go here to the real VNC Viewer. All of these files and commands, I'm gonna have them on the description in case you don't know where to find them. So the download link for this is gonna be in the description as well as the commands. So from here, you just put the host name of your Raspberry Pi or the IP address in this case. The one that I set up is a static, so it will never change. So let's just put the IP. In my case, is 192.168.0.11. Click enter. Okay, there it is. It found it. See, 192.168.0.1, and the port number, the default 5900. Now the username, in my case, it's the one that you use to log into your Raspberry Pi. I didn't add any additional password to it, so it's just gonna be the same password as you would log in normally. So in my case, it would be my name, my username, and my password. And if you don't want to always put the password, just click remember the password. Click OK, and there it is. We're inside. Now from here, well, what I was doing for those who don't know what SSH is, this is the same thing. Terminal. From here, you can do the same thing. Sudo slash raspi, sorry, raspi-config. Same thing. And RPI is my Raspberry Pi hostname. And that's it, guys. We're officially connected to your Raspberry Pi remotely. See, it's on Wi-Fi. There's my router name. Want to change anything else? Open something else additionally? You can do it all from here, sitting from your Windows computer. Well, guys, I hope that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you find any issues that you can't connect or any, just put in the comments or send me an email or anything else. I'll be gladly help you guys with it. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.